Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Again, Miss Farkhanda with exercise of unit number 3, that is media and its impact. Hopefully, you all have read the lesson thoroughly, understood all the material given in the lesson. Today, we are going to start its exercise. The exercise is from page number 25. Comprehension passage. Comprehension means what you have understood from the lesson. Now it is summarize a part of comprehension, summarize the major points of the unit in the given mind map. You know what is a mind map? The topic is given, that is role of media and its impact, and 6 circles are given to attach different points with that, and given the points given from your text. Because after this mind map, you are supposed to write a paragraph of 70 to 80 words on the role of media in our society, in our lives, or the impact of media on our lives. So you can start with that there are number one, two main modes of communication, or what is media. As I've told you, channel, a system of and providing entertainment. Then two modes. Then what does media do? Like shares news, information, provides you entertainment, expresses the feelings of the people, and that also it has made a world just a click away, provides awareness about social issues, make everyone answerable and accountable, has become the mouthpiece of the downtrodden, and ending that if it media has a great role in making the society positive or constructive if it plays honestly. So different point may write 7 points, and then your homework is to write a paragraph of 60 to 70 to 80 words, the role of media and its impact, or the role of media in our lives. It's your homework. Points are given in your text which what you have read. Then B part of this is answer the following questions. So answer questions from this and answer question from blogs also. Now look at answer questions. The first is, what is the most important function that media performs? Look at the word, the most important function. It is not the function media performs, the most important function. So most important, first write, because you are supposed to write in 30 to 40 words, that media is the most popular mode of communication, and it provides you information, news and information, and expresses the opinion of the people from all over the world. So most important function is provides you information and news from all over the world, around the world, and we have an easy access to all kind of information. That is the most important function that media performs. So next is question number 2. What are the two major means of communication? Give 3 examples for each. So you know what are two means of communication given in your book, that are electronic and print media. So give 3 examples for each. So write them separately, that there are two means of communication, electronic media and print media. And electronic media includes radio, film, television, and internet. And print media includes book, magazines, and newspaper as written in your text. So give 3 examples, mean what is written in your text separately, electronic and print media. Number 3, how does media provide entertainment? So another role of media is, okay, when you are going to have a question, what what does media provide? Yeah, what is the function of the media? Not the most important is information and news and knowledge from all over the world, around the world. But media provide, when only media provide, then you are supposed to write entertainment also. But separate question number 1, separate the most important. Question number 3 is, how does it provide you entertainment? Maybe when you provide you, what does it provide? Then entertainment and information. But these are two separate questions. How does media provide you entertainment? Again, while looking at the, when it is written two modes of communication, it is written that and provides you entertainment. It is interesting and entertaining programs and radio, television, internet, and through films. It can also, you can also write, because two modes of communication, so the interesting articles or news about different programs or different events of the world that we are having from books, magazine, and newspapers. So the media provides us these different programs from all over the world. Question number 4. What happens when media is allowed to play its role unchecked? The word unchecked. Unchecked means when nobody is checking it, nobody is pointing that it is doing wrong. Nobody is. What is checking? Checking is to find out the mistakes, actually. So when it's allowed to play its role, it's actually the role of the media is to play positively, to make the society the better one. So what happens when media is allowed to play its role unchecked? If media is allowed to play its role unchecked, then there is no constructiveness or positivity in society. There would be chaos, confusion, negativity in the society, and that harms our society. And we can also write that through radio, television, and films, it provides confusion, negativity, or from false news, media can create negativity in the society. News, immoral plays, articles, these all things will create negativity, confusion, and chaos in the society. That's why media should be checked. Who to check? That is the censor policies by the government. Number 5 question is, give 3 reasons in support of your favorite TV program, and you all are supposed to do it independently, because different people you all have different programs. Maybe so write on the program, name of the program, which is somewhat informative. So write 3 points why do you like it? Like it provides information, it provides entertainment, like some cooking programs, even some fiction, some science program, whatever you want to write. So these are the 5 question answers from your book. This is from exercise. Then you may have question answers from your block questions in your book. Your book, first block question is, guess the meaning of tutorial. Block question, and I have given you the meaning of tutorial under the tutor. What is the page or this, when while reading you have learned it. Then is the question, what type of information does media provide? What type of information media provides? So what type of information? That is the information from whole of the world, all around the world. That is information relating to every segment of life from all around the world. You can write like sports or politics, and one or two may point one or two things. Third Next one is we have already done which is your favorite program and why. This is exercise question number 5 which I have given you, that to write your favorite program and 3 question answers for it. I have some additional question answer for you also, that is um, how has media become an integral part of our life? Can you tell me how has media become an integral part of our life? Integral mean an important part of our life. Media has become an integral part of our life because it is the most vigilant institution that keeps an eye on every segment of the society and makes everyone answerable and accountable. It has become the mouthpiece of the downtrodden. So it is an additional question. There is an other question in your book, that is TV taking away the habit of reading? Is TV taking away the habit of reading? How? If you are right in favor that TV is taking away the habit of reading, as it seems more attractive and appealing than a book. It is in easy. It has an easy access. It not only informs us but also entertains us in a convenient way. Everything is we can guess, even some people, and it's convenient because no mastery of language is required while watching television. So these are the question answers. Now comes your vocabulary portion, means related to words. Vocabulary comprehension mean question answers, and vocabulary means related to words. The first question is, explain the following phrases as used in the text: geared up, global village, click away, constructive role, raise awareness, to keep an eye, mouthpiece of the downtrodden. And all these are explained while reading. I have taught you, I have told you. So it's your homework, it's your work. Write phrases and their meanings in your notebooks. Phrases and their meanings. Next is, put these words in relevant column to identify the part of speech these words belong to. And girls, there in your table there are three types of parts of speech. They are noun, adjective, adverb. You have done noun, not adjective and adverb yet, but I'll tell you what is an adjective, what is an adverb. Remember, girls, when you are supposed to do this sort of exercise where a word is given and you have to identify whether it is what part of speech it is, always make a sentence and use that word in a sentence. Try to use it in a sentence so that you can find easily, like, because you will find the nouns is answer of what, adjective is the quality of a noun, adverb is telling about some verb, generally about some verb, or adjective also, but here it tells about some verb. So I'm going to use these in sentences. You yourself have to find whether it is noun, adjective, or adverb. Media plays an important role in our lives. Audience. The audience was very cheerful. Means. It is a means of communication. They were eagerly waiting for us. So look at the eagerly. How are they waiting? Eagerly. Waiting is verb. Eagerly would be adverb. Global. It has turned the world into global village. You should take corrective measures. Means of communications are discussed. It provides you information. It has a strong impact. constructive efforts. It provides you efforts. These news are false. Loudly, don't speak loudly. So now it's your homework to do it in relevant box. Media audience means eagerly, global, corrective, communication, information, impact, constructive, false, and loudly. Listen to my sentences and then find out what type of it is. Change the following words